Hello everyone, welcome back. For today we're going to be working on my 2007 G35. We're going to be replacing the thermostat gasket, so this is kind of like a thermostat replacement too. So your air intake box out, remove it. I just have a filter, so it's pretty easy. And right here is where our thermostat is. And we have two hoses that we have to disconnect from it, and then I think we have like 3 10mm. So we're probably going to lose quite a bit of coolant. Now if you don't have a diagram or anything, you can put your phone on camera mode and then turn the flash on. Actually put your phone down here and see exactly where everything is. So we have two hoses. There's a bolt over there and one right there and down there. So we'll have to take the hoses off before we can even take those out. So just like that, we just zip tied it to the side. Now we gotta get this little one. But now we can get the 310s off. Alright, here we go. So this is what the thermostat looks like. Pretty nasty. So we're gonna clean that up. But I don't have any cooling problems or anything. All I'm doing is just replacing my gasket because my gasket is leaking. You can see it's just a pretty thin gasket. This one kind of has like a rubber to help keep it from like leaking again. So I got the housing all cleaned up, pretty nice. Then we have our gasket that we're gonna be putting on, and the number for that is this, I guess, that I got from AutoZone. Here's a quick video on the phone about what it looks like under here. So pretty nasty, and it's just gonna be that way because I've been leaking coolant. But anyways, yeah, that's what it looks like. So I went ahead and cleaned off these bolts with like a toothbrush and some brake cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and just put all my bolts in and try to keep it lined. So just gonna try to keep the bolts in there and move slowly. Yeah, so we got one started. Now we just gotta find where these other two holes are. Working on the bottom. Yeah, Alright, so just like that, we got it back on. Now we just gotta tighten it. Alright, so they're all pretty tight, so I'm gonna go ahead and just snug each one real quick. And then we'll go back and just kind of get it a little more tight. So just like that. Got it snug, so got one done. Two done. And that's about it for 3. Now all we gotta do is put our hoses back on and call it good after. Alright, so that one's good. So besides all of that, all you want to do is go through and make sure you got all your stuff tightened down, which we do. We got our thermostat tight, we got our hoses back on. In a different video, I show you how to delete this hose that you don't really need. Alright, so that's about it. As you can see, everything's good. Should be all good.